Hi, I came out here from Saskatchewan, flew out here to Flatline Industries to see about the BETAG products and what they put on for courses. Came out here interested in the aluminum, especially because don't have much on aluminum, don't know much knowledge about it, and 20 years in the industry, this is all new to me. So I thought I better come out here and learn some stuff. I came out here, the guys that put the course on just blew my mind. The equipment that they have, the knowledge they have on how to repair aluminum and steel. Steel was amazing. New concepts on how to repair a dent, how to do everything. A light. I took a light in as a PDR technician's tool. It is not that anymore to me. It is a tool for estimating, for repairing, everything like that. So all I can say is if anybody has a chance to come out to take this course by these guys, come and take it. It's 4 days. There's small dent, medium dent, aluminum, and plastic repair. I've done it all out here. It's amazing. Just take the courses if you can.